All right, y'all, we're going to be looking at circles and arcs and angles inscribed and central today. And we're going to be using circle properties to be able to solve for some pieces. So let's go ahead and look at number one here. It says that we have the measure of arc XM, which is a minor arc because it is less than 180 degrees. So XM is going to be a minor arc, and that XM is right here. It is 80 degrees. And what we're going to look for is XNM. So we're going to be looking at this angle right down here. We're going to be looking for the arc XN. And then we're also going to be looking at arc MN. So let's go ahead and start easy. I know that we have 80 degrees right here. And we are looking for the angle of XNM. So starting at X, going back to N, and this is going to be, that angle is going to be inscribed. Okay, and one thing that we know about inscribed angles is they are 1/2 the arc that they intercept, or 1/2 the central angle. Okay, so in other words, if this is 80 degrees, we're just going to cut that in half. So I'm going to say 1/2 of 80 equals to 40 degrees. So that means XNM is going to be a 40-degree angle. Okay, once we've got that labeled, we can go ahead and add that into our picture. So we have a 40-degree angle here. Now, we can go ahead and find X arc XN. And let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to shade that a different color. Let's go X all the way through N. It actually does not matter which side we go on in this case, and that is because guess what we have? We have a diameter right here. So there's our diameter. And because they have a diameter, that tells me that arc XN is going to be a semicircle. And that means it's half of a circle, so that is going to be 180 degrees. So we know this total thing is 180 degrees all the way from X to N. Now, let's go ahead and find MN. Now, what you'll notice is MN is just, arc MN is just an extension. It is saying, okay, what is this little piece? Okay, well, one thing we know is the whole piece was 180, and we know that a little piece is 80. So what is left over for MN right here? We just subtract off 80. And that will give us 100 degrees. So arc MN is just 100 degrees.